Ping Pong TV.
Let's learn prepositions. Where is monkey?
The monkey is in the box. He is in it.
Where is monkey?
The monkey is in front of the box. He is in the front.
Where is monkey?
The monkey is next to the box. He is next to it.
Where is monkey?
The monkey is under the box. He is under.
Where is monkey?
The monkey is on top of the box. He is on top of it.
Where is monkey?
The monkey is between the boxes. He is between the boxes.
Where is monkey?
The monkey is behind the box. He is behind.
Keep practicing.
In front of, next to, under, on, between, behind.
Very good. Keep
Like, share, subscribe.